Well, I'm in the mood for tacos and I want them quick. So, okay, wasn't quite that quick. But if you can your own taco meat, it can be pretty darn quick. And you know, taco meat can be used for tacos, but also makes great nachos and other Mexican dishes. And it's really, really easy to do. So I'm going to show you how I can taco meat and then how fast and easy it is to warm it up and make tacos for your family. So come on along with me. So here's the ingredients. Ground beef. I got 4 pounds here. The leaner the better. Chopped up onions. These are from my garden. You're going to say, how much? I don't know. Maybe a cup and a half? I'm not sure. 4 packets of taco seasoning, but these packets were on sale and it's easier. So, yep, I'm using the Taco Bell taco seasoning. And then over here, this is some chopped up chipotle peppers. And I just used my kitchen knife to cut little pieces. Now, with any recipe, if your family doesn't eat tacos this way, don't make it this way. Don't put in any onions. Don't put in the peppers. Just make this the way your family wants it. This just happens to be the way my family wants it. Just browning the ground beef. It'll take just a little while because it is 4 pounds. And I'm including the onions. So I will be back when this is browned up a bit. So you can see, getting browned up. You don't have to get it over brown because remember, we're going to be pressure cooking it. Now we want to put in first here. Get all the goodness out. And mix these in. Just gives it a little bit of a smoky flavor to it, I think. Now we're going to add our seasoning packet. 1, 2, and the last one, 4. Now let's mix this in a little. You know, and if you like your tacos with beans, you can add those to this too. However you like them. Now we're going to add, because it's 3/4 a cup water per package, we're adding 3 cups of water. Okay, we're going to mix it up and we're just going to let this simmer a bit. Be back when it's ready to can. Okay, I'm shutting this off. You can see it's still pretty liquidy, but that's okay. That's my liquid for the beef. And you'll see when I prepare the beef, when I open the can, what I do. But let's jar it up. Jar up your taco meat and leave a 1-inch headspace. And I processed it for 75 minutes because it's pints at, for my elevation, 10-pound pressure. And if you're new to pressure canning and want to see everything there is to know about pressure canning, then please check out my pressure canning for beginning video. Also, it's always a good idea to review pressure can safety, and I have a video on that too. So here they are out of the canner. Every single jar has sealed. I'm very, very happy. And the small little jar over there, I'm going to open up tomorrow night and make it so I can show you how great this really tastes. Now it's time to warm up this little one. Hear that nice pop? We're just going to get this out of the jar. Make sure we get it all out. Don't want to waste any of it. There we go. A little bit, yeah. And there we got it. Now we just want to heat this up. And we can do this while our shells are warming up in the oven. Okay, can you see it's thickened up? There's some juice, but it's not nearly as juicy. So now it's time to make our taco. Heated my shell. Meat in there. Just a little more. And sometimes I put hot sauce in, but you know, this has already got some heat from the peppers, so I'm just gonna leave it be. There we go. Now it's my favorite time in making the video. That's right, actually taste testing. This is so good. Meat is flavorful, which is something to say for canned meat. And just a little cheese, and sure, some hot sauce would be great too. But a fast, incredibly fast meal. And nobody will know you're using canned meat. So this is Potpourri saying, if you have a pressure canner, think of canning up some taco meat. As always, thank you so much for your support. Share the knowledge and subscribe. And if you want to receive notifications of my future videos, just click that little bell below. Happy canning!